Hi friends, it's Cheyenne, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 12 Pro as well as my AirPod Pros and showing you how I set them up and what accessories I chose for them. So starting first with my AirPods, these were a gift, but I do believe they retail at $249 on Apple's website, although I have seen them elsewhere on sale for as low as $200. Here's what they look like, and I really love the design of the AirPod Pros compared to the first gen, just because they do have those squishy earbuds and I think it's more comfortable, so I definitely prefer that. Then underneath the box we have some extra earbuds, so I think the default ones that they put on are the mediums, and then they have like a smaller size and a larger size as well. And then it also comes with a charging cable. Just so you know, it is a USB-C and not a traditional USB, so you will have to get a different block because they also don't include a block with this. I grabbed a couple off of Amazon and they work great. Next up is my iPhone, and I did get the iPhone 12 Pro in the color silver, although as you will see, it is actually mostly white with silver accents, which is totally fine by me. I actually prefer it that way. And then here again is that same charger, so just the same USB-C. Thankfully, you can still use your old chargers on the new phone. Before this phone, I actually had the 6S, so I was really eager to upgrade to a phone with a better camera just because I do enjoy taking pictures, making content, all that good stuff. So you'll just need to hold down the side button to turn it on, then it'll run you through the generic setup with your language, your country, all that good stuff. Thankfully, Apple has started to use Quick Start, which makes it super easy to transfer all of your old info to your new iPhone. Basically, you just grab your old phone, hold it nearby, and then it should prompt you to set up your new iPhone. Next, you can set up Face ID by scanning your face a couple times, then you'll have to log in with your Apple ID to continue with the data transfer. There are other options that I'll take you through as well, such as setting up Apple Pay, syncing your Apple Watch, and then the True Tone display, and you can see the difference here. Finally, it'll take you back to the data transfer screen and give you an ETA of when the transfer should finish. In the meantime, enjoy this quick little montage of me putting the screen protector on my phone. I kind of accidentally just went for it, and as you can see, the screen protector is a little bit crooked, but it's not too bad, and my phone is protected, which is all I can ask for. In the rest of the box, there's just the same charger that we saw before for the AirPods, as well as an information booklet that contains a little SIM card ejection pin for the little hole on the side of your phone. You can just stick it in there to eject your SIM card. Okay, so the data transfer finished up, and as you can see, I have everything that was on my old phone, including my lock screen and home screen and wallpapers, plus all of my apps. Some of them are still downloading, but it looks like they're all still here. And I've got my photos and videos, which is amazing. And because I still needed to activate my phone with AT&T, I had to turn it off, so all you have to do is hold down one of the volume buttons as well as the side button at the same time and then slide to turn off. Next, I want to show you how I set up my AirPods. All you have to do is open the case and hold them near your phone, and then a pop-up will appear. Then you just hit connect, and then there's some options that you go through, and then eventually you're done. And as you can see here, they are connected and working. I seriously love them already. The quality on these is absolutely insane. And here are a few options for your AirPods. You can also control these settings by clicking on the headphones themselves, but you can see there's an option for noise cancellation off and transparency mode. Next up, I want to show you the cases that I got for both my iPhone and my AirPods. So here is the AirPods case that I chose. I got it from Amazon from the brand King X Bar in the color Nebula White. And here's the box that my iPhone case came in, and I got this from Casetify. So the AirPods case is kind of this opalescent color that complements the white case really well. It's kind of subtle, but it's still so pretty, and I love it so much. In addition to the case, you also get a magnetic neck strap, a carabiner, a case removal tool, and then these cute little gold stickers that you can add onto your case. I also picked up this gold snap hook just because I'm not crazy about the carabiner, and I think this complements the case a little better. Eventually, I will go ahead and connect the gold clasp with a gold jump ring, but for now, we're stuck with the silver hoop, which is fine. Next up, let's take a look at my phone case. I am so excited about this. I kind of like semi-customized it on Casetify's website. And by customize, I mean I changed the default color that came with the design. So I didn't really customize it at all. But there's a little sneak peek. And so they include this cute little card as well as some sanitizing wipes, which is super nice. But now onto the main event. So here's the case that I chose. And of course, we've got the satisfying plastic peel off. Here it is. It's the Clouds Impact case for the 12 Pro in the color Iridescent. I know it doesn't look like much now, but just wait until I put it on my phone. It complements the white super well. And as you can see, it is super reflective and just beautiful. I will say after having had it for a couple weeks now, the iridescent parts do tend to accumulate scratches, which is kind of a bummer, but also kind of just the nature of that type of material. Otherwise, the case itself is really sturdy and I'm very happy with it. And as I'm sure you've noticed, it also matches my AirPods pretty well. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!